So what are you going to be cooking for us tonight then, Joe?
It's the Michelin star food service here.
Yeah.
We tend to use things called boil in the bags. Very expensive, very rare, and great quality food. We just have to wait until it gets to the boil before placing in our boil in the bags. It's quite a complicated procedure. You have to use one of these. It's called a handle, and you take off the lid.
So,
placing the food.
what qualifications do you have to be making this meal?
Oh, so I'm a safety officer myself. I've trained for 5 years to obtain that title. That's the main thing you need, but it's common practice to also be a Michelin star chef when dealing with this kind of equipment. This is what we normally call a transit. It has a gas bottle, a little bit of fire, and it tends to heat up other types of stuff.
How long do you think it will cook to take this meal then?
Oh well, these things are dangerous, you know. I mean, look, that's already starting to boil. These are placed in at approximately 100 degrees. I mean, most people can only deal with one of these at a time, but I've had so much experience over the past few years. You can actually handle two. You see, that's almost there now. The lids are on to stop excess heat escaping and actually improve the time. So, approximately 200 grams of rice and 300 grams of curry. It's a decent sized meal. You can add cheese to that. It's not, you know, you might be, oh, he's a bit plebby adding cheese to his meal, but it really goes a long way, especially in these conditions.
No, you don't have to find that. Yeah.
You often find things like apple leaves, acorns, they can all be crushed up and put on top.
And how are you keeping this very dangerous setup safe?
So, constantly watching and monitoring both at the same time, not taking my eye off either of them. I'm also using, obviously, the handle when dealing with this. Also, when you're dealing with this, obviously water can come out the side. It's always a good idea to wear appropriate footwear, covering all the toes in case you get any excess water coming over them. Over here, we're almost there as well. Vegetable korma, sorry, and rice in this one. The more vegetarian people out there. So that goes in like that. This can be folded in a number of ways. I tend to go for one in the middle and then you kind of do that, like that. In there like so. Brilliant stuff. And remember to always use tongs when you're dealing with these. These will cook pretty much instantly, you know. I've got them on such a flexible temperature here. I tend to call this gas mark 7. But, it's up to you what you call it. So never leave the gas on for too long before you light it because it can blow up. Just try not to let it go out. I never let these things go out, you know. Very sensitive things, these. Even if you're a pro, it can be difficult to use them. So turning down, 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 down. Actually down to gas mark 4 there, just to finish off the meal. Give it a bit of a simmer. Moving on. This is almost there actually. I just want to relight things here. These never go out actually. You know. But in such harsh conditions, it can be a problem.
So here we have a wild fisherman, a cave fisherman.
Hold on. I can see what I can see. Got him! Oh, he's bringing him. Oh no! There we go. That's what you call a stonefish. That's a little one, maybe one. There aren't many fish around here, it's difficult to catch them. Don't be worried. So I've managed to catch a wild caterpillar. A lot of nutrients in these. Quite regularly though. A lot of meat on them. This goes a long way. Probably share this between the whole pack. But really good stuff. Really good stuff. These are quite hard to find, but when you find them, it's worth it. Really. That's one needs cooking.
Oh right.
Actually has some poisonous spines, so you need to cook them off first. But this is a really nice specimen. Not the biggest, but it looks juicy. Get some meat out of that.
Him? You didn't even catch it.
How's everyone feeling? Yeah. Woo. We've got a safety officer here. We've got Dr. Duncan with the first aid kit. Moral support here. Tennis coach. So yeah, always stock up on food. Nice bit of water.
We're in the shade. No, not stagnant.
So what's wrong with this water source? Why can you not drink that?
It's not moving.
Got a bit of petrol in it.
Yeah.
And then you're drinking. Here we see a wild Lucy struggling with her bag. It's so close. Birds. Woo! Hello. Thumbs up. Woo! Yay!
Set off at 4:30 for the wild camp. And it's 6:45 now. Where are we now then?
Lake District.
Still?
Yeah, still.
Yeah.
Haven't left it yet.
Yeah.
That is
What time is it now?
7.
and we've already walked
climbed the
that.
mountain.
We've done all
We
that.
did that. And round the bend a bit.
Yeah.
In an hour and a half. We were up at 4:30.
So what would you say is the thing you've learnt most from this experience so far?
Bring blue roll.
Not leaves. Leaves are.
Yeah, leaves and grass are great.
No, you've got to take lots of breaks.
But what leaves did you use? Just for future reference, so all the people know what leaves to use.
I
Hazel
personally
leaves, wasn't it?
use hazel,
Yeah.
because I thought they had a good sensory.
How many did you use?
I did 4 at a time.
4 per wipe.
Layered up.
Top tips for walking up big hills?
Take it slow.
At your own pace.
Nice and slow.
Yeah,
Breaks. Don't feel bad about taking
I'd run it,
breaks.
yeah.
Yeah, run it.
Run it.
Run it. Yeah, doable. That's your pace. You sprint up that hill.
You want the fast flowing water?
Yeah, running over rocks, quite fast flow. You don't want stagnant water, that's a no-no. That's a litre in there now. 1 tablet per litre. Just put that in there and leave it for about half an hour. And you've got some nice clean drinking water. How's everyone feeling after the 3:30 start?
Actually, alright. It was a good move.
What's that there you got, Purdy?
That's a mozzie pen. That's really good because I've got 9 bites on this leg and 3 on this one.
Do you want to show the camera your
yeah.
bite?
There's some under my legs.
Oh my god, Lucy.
Yeah.
And then hello. Yes, it's everywhere.
Okay, Dr. Duncan, can we have a review from the first aid side of things this expedition?
So this is the first aid kit.
Yeah.
My car one. It's
Yeah.
my favourite purchase ever. Scissors. Joe just sterilised them because I'm
Just a
bang.
little grenade in case we're going to fight with
So
anybody.
he sterilised my scissors with that.
Yeah.
Then we just go back in here and start to do hot. Then, so we've got painkillers, we've got antiseptic wipes, we have plasters, blister plasters, we have some hand bandages, we have deep heat, we have like 3 pairs of scissors, small, big and medium. blister plasters. We have a burn kit, a trauma kit, some gloves, a triangular bandage. We also have 2 burn kits, I think I said that though, didn't I? And a pocket mask for resuscitation.
What's the worst injury you've seen on this expedition?
On this expedition, I think that would have to be Luke's forehead.
Oh yeah.
What happened there?
He slipped on a rock. We didn't actually see it, we just walked past him, and he was running down a hill to catch up, and he tripped on a few rocks and kept tripping, and then smashed his head on a rock.
Good for cleaning your teeth
Jojo.
when you don't have a toothbrush.
Good. And we don't like litter on DofE, do we?
There are ways you can dispose of litter though.
I'll just add another one.
Bins usually. How are we feeling now that we've finished?
Probably do another 6 days, to be honest. Did it in a nice good time.
Yep.
You know, back for lunch.
What time's it now?
It's about 12:30 now. Oh, I should imagine we set off about 2:30. No, it should be 4:30.
In the AM.
8 AM, yeah, so not normally. 9 AM lunch, that was an achievement. Never done a 9 AM lunch before.
I have never had
It's nearly dinner time now, isn't it?
Oh, it's dinner, I'm going hungry actually.
Any final tips now that the expedition's over?
Make it longer.
Yeah.
We only did about 18k a day. It's not really acceptable.
Good.
Could have done a scarf hill, to be honest, that's just a little hill.
Yeah, could have run that.
I'm up for the 3 peaks next, if anybody else is.